Hi, this is Jaya. In this video, we shall see about the development of science and scientific discoveries in England and Europe in the 19th century. In the 19th century, we find a great improvement in science in both England and Europe, and this marked a transition from natural philosophy to modern science. And the main reason for this development was Industrial Revolution, which helped in the development in physics, biology and chemistry and increased experimentation, and also all the institutions supported all the experiments which were conducted for this development. And the key developments and discoveries include physics and electromagnetism. Electromagnetism. Michael Faraday built the first electromotor and also discovered electromagnetic induction, and this electromagnetic induction only formed the basis for electric motors and generators. In field theory, James Clerk Maxwell unified electricity, magnetism and light, and he proposed an electromagnetic waves as a single theory. And Hertz experimentally confirmed all these electromagnetic waves in 1888. In thermodynamics and energy, the laws of thermodynamics were developed by Lord Kelvin and Rudolf Clausius. James Prescott Joule established the mechanical equivalent of heat in 1840, and therefore heat also was confirmed as a form of energy. In atomic theory and radiation, John Dalton introduced modern atomic theory, and Henry Becquerel discovered radioactivity, and Marie and Pierre Curie, they identified polonium and radium, and J.J. Thomson discovered the electron. In light, Thomas Young demonstrated the wave nature of light. In biology and medicine, in evolutionary theory, Charles Darwin published On the Origin of Species, and here he introduced a theory of evolution by natural selection. Germ theory of diseases shows that Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch proved that microscopic organisms were the cause for diseases, and this only led to the development of vaccines, including vaccine for rabies. And in cell theory and genetics, Matthias Skelton proposed that all plants are made of cells, and Gregor Mendel foundational work on inheritance was produced at this time. Anesthesia and hygiene was successfully used, and Joseph Lister introduced the antiseptic surgery. And in chemistry and materials, we have organic chemistry, where Friedrich Wulffer synthesized urea, because till then everyone thought that organic compounds can be produced only by living organisms, but he said no, even we can synthesize, and he made urea. And a periodic table was created by Dmitri Mendeleev, and this helped to predict the properties of all the undiscovered elements. And in chemical industry, the Bessemer process enabled mass production of steel. And scientific infrastructure and methods, professionalization. The term was natural philosophers till 1833, but after that the term scientist was coined by William Whewell, and all these people were not amateurs, but they were all professionals, and they were called as scientists. And till then the British government was playing a major role, but now it started playing a smaller role, and all the scientific research was driven by the organizations like the Royal Institution of London, and all the inventions and discoveries, a lot of emphasis was laid on measurement, experimentation and mathematical modeling, particularly in Germany and Britain. If you have anything more to add on to what I've said, please write it in the comment box, like the video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and support. Thank you.